How many of us know?
The largest animals in the world.
Come let us see.
The third largest animal in the world is African elephant. Its weight is 6,350 kilograms. Their length is 35 feet. Its brain can weigh up to 5 kilograms. The second largest animal in the world is colossal squid. Its weight is 500 kilograms. Their length is 45 feet. It has largest eyes in animal kingdom. The first largest animal in the world is blue whale. Its weight about 180 tons. Their length is 30 meters. Its tongue is equivalent to an elephant.